Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So on a previous Geek Challenge, I actually did 20 miles in one day. And so that's something that I've never done before. And now that I have completed that, it's time to go to the next level. And so today I'm going to actually do 25 miles or more. And as of right now, I actually have 0 miles. And so by the end of the day, that should be 25 miles or more. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so I am finally done. So today's Geek Challenge was actually to do 25 miles or more in a single day. So how did I actually do? Well, it looks like I did okay. I did 26.03 miles, 498 minutes of walking. And in terms of hours, that is actually 8 hours and 18 minutes. And so I definitely feel good about that. So my next goal was going to be 30 miles, so I'm pretty close to just getting that if I would have walked a little bit further. So let me go ahead and share some of my experiences on doing this Geek Challenge today. So the very first word that comes to mind is pain. There's absolutely so much pain. At around mile 13, my feet started to hurt, and that pain never went away. It actually got worse. And then every mile that I walked, it actually kept going up to my calves, my knees, then my legs, then to my hips, my back, and finally my shoulders and neck. And so that was the very first thing that I could say is definitely apparent is the pain. And then the second thing is I'm outdoors. And so if I were to do this on a treadmill, it would have been a lot easier. But because I am outdoors, I had to deal with the elements, the cold, the rain, the heat, all the different terrain, different elevations. So that definitely added to the amount of challenge that I had. And at some points, I was just like, man, it's just really uncomfortable being outside. And I actually wanted to quit so many times, but I didn't. And so overall, is all of this pain actually worth it? Well, for me, absolutely. Not only for the personal feeling of accomplishment and fulfillment, but most importantly, it is improvement. Because if I were to think of when I first started doing this, even doing 1 or 2 miles was actually really hard for me. But now 1 or 2 miles is just a warm-up. And then later on, as I get even better and I could go further and my techniques are better in terms of walking and even running, then I'll be able to do a lot more and not have as much pain as I have now. And so those are it for all my thoughts and getting to my current daily goal of 25 miles or more. And so if you had any thoughts on this, or maybe you had some of your own Geek Challenges, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.